serious about getting a Brazilian wax. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the real difference between hard wax and soft wax, so you can choose the method that's gentler, smoother, and right for your skin. Brazilian waxing is more popular than ever, but not all waxes feel the same. Two methods dominate salons worldwide: hard wax and soft wax. Each has a totally different feel, technique, and result. Let's break them down clearly, simply, and safely. Hard wax is often the favorite for sensitive areas. It goes on thick, cools gently, and grabs onto the hair, not the skin. That means less pulling, less irritation, and for many people, noticeably less pain. It's strong enough to remove coarse hair but gentle enough for intimate areas. Because it lifts clean from the root, some notice fewer ingrowns. Soft wax works differently. It's spread thinly across the skin, a strip is placed on top, and then pulled away quickly. This method removes hair and the top layer of dead skin, giving a super smooth, polished finish. Soft wax is great for fine hair, quick to use, and often more affordable. It's a common choice for larger areas because it's fast and effective. So, which one should you choose? Here's a simple guide: sensitive skin. Hard wax is usually gentler. Very fine hair. Soft wax often works better. Want less pain? Hard wax may be the winner. Want speed and affordability? Soft wax gets the job done fast. Everyone's skin is different. Your best choice comes from your hair type, pain tolerance, and past experiences. Once the wax is done, aftercare is everything. Avoid heat, tight clothing, and workouts for 24 hours. Use a soothing gel, and exfoliate gently after a couple of days to prevent ingrowns. Waxing is evolving fast. New hybrid formulas, improved at-home kits, and even smart tools are transforming the whole experience. So now you know the real difference between hard wax and soft wax. Which one do you prefer, or which one are you ready to try next? Drop your answer in the comments and I'll pin the best tip. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple, science-based self-care from MTH Health.